Hi folks, welcome back to the LeetCode SQL 50 series. Today we are with the first problem in the sorting and grouping section. Okay, so the LeetCode problem number 2356, number of unique subjects taught by each teacher. So it is classified as a easy level problem by LeetCode, and you can see it is it is having very less description. Okay, so let us quickly jump onto the description, right? So we have been given with one table, teachers table, and it is having quite less, okay, only three fields, and all are of integer type, right? Teacher id, subject id, and department id. Cool. So subject id and department id is the primary key, okay, combination of columns with unique values, and each row in this table indicates that the teacher with the teacher id teaches the subject with subject id in the department id dep id, right? So teacher and what subject he teaches and what particular department it belongs to. They're asking us to write a solution to calculate the number of unique subjects each teacher teaches in the university. Return the result table in any order, right? So I think it is very easy problem and not easy problem. Okay, so this should be very easy, right? And if you go through this, let's go through this sample test case. You can see that we have three fields, right? And teacher id 1, he teaches subject 2, which is in the department 3. Okay, and he again teaches the same subject which belongs to different department, that is 4. So guys, you must be wondering how it might be possible. Just take an example of mathematics. Okay, so department id 3, you can assume it as CSE, whereas 4 will be some other branch like IT, right? So mathematics will be present in both departments, so like that it is. Okay, so yeah, so you can see we need to find out how many subjects every teacher teaches, right? You can see that for one, right, he teaches two subjects, guys, that is subject id 2, right, and subject 3. Okay, it is not 3. Okay, it is not 3, both are same. Okay, so what we need to do, guys, how we can find out? First thing, I think everybody knows, right? For every teacher id we need to find the count of subjects. How we can do? We will be doing the group by on teacher id, right? So after doing the group by on teacher id, you know this, right, guys, the group data, all these three, the first three records will be in my first group, and the second four records will be in the second group. And on the subject id, if you take count of star, is it you is should you take the count of star? If you take count of star, you will be getting 3. Okay, so if you take count of star, you will be getting 3 because this 2 will be counted twice. So what we need to do is, instead of taking count of star, we need to take okay, not star also, we need to take count on subject id, right? Not on not star also, we need to take count on subject id. So instead of taking only subject id, we need to take count of distinct subject id, right? So distinct will give you distinct rows, right now, guys? It will give you distinct values, and then you take the count, it will give you 2. I hope you have understood this problem, guys. So this is very simple problem, right now, guys. So let us directly write the code. Okay, so we will be starting from table, right? So from which table, guys? So from teachers table. From teachers table, what we need to do, we need to group it by teacher id, right now, guys. We need to find, for every teacher we need to find how many subjects they are teaching. After grouping it by, what do we need to do? We need to select the group by column, guys, otherwise you'll be getting errors, right now, guys. So now we need to find the how many subjects they have teaching. So if you do count of star, sorry, count of subject id, right, see what will happen. If you do count of simply subject id, this 2 will be counted twice. Okay, so we need to find out distinct subjects. Okay, so you can see that for 1, for 2 there is no problem because he's teaching all different subjects, right? And but for 1 there is duplicates, right? So to avoid that, what we will do, we can simply use the distinct keyword. Okay, what the hell, right? So count of distinct subject id, so this will remove duplicates and you can get the unique subjects. Okay, so this will be my C and D, right? So if I run it now on the sample test case, it worked, right now guys. So the teacher ID with 1, he's teaching 2 subjects, right? So he's teaching 2 in department 3 and 2 in department 4, and teacher ID with 2, he's teaching 4 subjects, all different subjects in the same department, right now guys. So that's it, right? So let us submit the solution and see. And yes, it has passed for all test cases. And I think as this is a very simple problem, all the solutions will be same. Okay, so yes guys, so that's it from this problem guys. I hope you have understood, right? So I'll meet you in the next problem. Until then, happy learning and thank you.